Hey guys, what's up? How's everyone doing today? Great, I'm glad you're all doing well. You are now watching David Jr. Castañeda. Welcome to my channel. Today's Tuesday, it's my second day off. I'm just here at home with my mom, hanging out, being lazy. It's too hot to do anything, man. It is too fucking hot. I took a shower a little while ago. Took a cold shower. It was nice. I washed everything, every square inch, clean and fresh. But it's so fucking hot that I got swamp ass right now. I'm getting swamp ass. I feel sweat where it shouldn't be. It's fucking disgusting. Anyways, in a little while, in a few minutes, probably about an hour, because my mom's still upstairs getting dressed, taking a shower, blah blah blah. So about an hour, we're gonna go have dinner at this Kabob place in Riverside at the mall. That's fucking good. We went last Tuesday. Fucking good, bro. I think I talked about it in my last video. I don't remember if it was this channel or my second channel. It's in one of those. If you go to either of my channels, you will see I talked about it. I'm not sure if I showed any of the food. Don't remember. But today, since we're going, I'll do a little video. I'll show you what the chicken looks like and the salad. Delicioso. Yeah, so if you want to check out my second channel, it's Random Adventures with David Jr. Check it out. There's more videos there. I try to do different things on both channels. But yeah. So right now I'm just hanging out underneath this big ass beautiful tree. There's plenty of shade here. There's a lot of shade. Let me show you what it looks like from the front of the camera. So this is the tree in front of our house. It's freaking beautiful, and there's a lot of shade, as you can tell right there. Sometimes I'll bring out a chair. I'll bring a chair out here and I'll sit underneath the tree, and I'll read and I'll listen to music. Big tree, beautiful tree. So in the front you got like a little garden thing. There's so much shade under here, man. Look at the shade. So I'll sit like right here somewhere with my chair, and I'll read my book. It's pretty chill, pretty chill. Yeah, so right now we're gonna head out pretty soon. I think she wants to go to Dollar Tree first. I think she mentioned it, but I'm not sure if she still wants to go. But I'm fucking hungry. I'm hungry. It's fucking hot out here. That's hot. I found Pegasus. Where is Hercules? Pegasus. I can go the distance. I don't care how far. Pegasus. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. In the new Nicolas Cage movie, they talked a lot about Paddington too. In the movie, they watched it, and Nicolas Cage said it was pretty darn good. I'm gonna have to fucking check it out. If Nicolas Cage like Paddington 2, then I'll probably like it for sure. Paddington 2. Nicolas Cage, I'm watching this because of you. I think that's it, man. We're gonna call it quits. We ate as much as we could, but we are freaking full. Good food, man. Arr, matey, you scallywag.